Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking for that perfect golden glow without the sun damage, today's product might be exactly what you need. We're diving into the St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Mousse, a fast-acting fake tan that promises a streak-free finish in just 1 to 3 hours. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's find out. The St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Mousse comes in a 6.7 fl bottle, offering a vegan and cruelty-free formula that works on all skin types. The key selling point of this tanner is the customizable depth of tan it provides, allowing you to choose how light or dark you'd like your tan to be, based on how long you leave it on. It's designed to develop quickly, starting in just 1 hour for a light tan, up to 3 hours for a deeper, darker glow. The mousse texture ensures an even application, and it promises a streak-free, natural-looking tan. I tested the St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Mousse over several days, and here's what I found. First off, application was pretty straightforward. The mousse is lightweight, and it glides smoothly onto the skin. I used a tanning mitt to apply it, which I highly recommend, as it helps ensure an even finish. It dries quickly, which is a major plus for anyone who doesn't want to be sticky for too long. I chose to leave it on for 2 hours for a medium tan, and the results were impressive. The tan developed gradually, and when I rinsed it off, I was left with a natural golden hue. That being said, there were a couple of things that stood out during my experience. For one, the scent. While it's not overwhelming, there is a slight self-tan odor that lingered a bit longer than I would have liked. Also, although it does deliver a streak-free finish, I did notice a bit of unevenness around my ankles and elbows, but that could have been because I applied it too quickly in those areas. Overall, though, the tan was even, and the color was natural, not orange or patchy. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the mousse is very easy to apply, and it provides a customizable tan depending on how long you leave it on. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and designed for all skin types, which is fantastic for inclusivity. It's also fast drying, which is a huge benefit for anyone in a hurry. On the flip side, the slight scent and potential for uneven application in more tricky areas like the joints are things to keep in mind. However, these are common issues with most self-tanning products, and with a little extra attention, they can be avoided. When it comes to value for money, the St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Mousse falls in the middle range for self-tanning products. It's priced higher than drugstore options, but given the quality, especially when it comes to the customizable tan and the natural results, I'd say it's worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality self-tanner. In terms of comparison, there are a few other self-tanners on the market, but what sets St. Tropez apart is the speed and versatility. Some competitors offer good results but can take longer to develop or don't offer as much control over the depth of the tan. St. Tropez delivers on both the speed and the control, making it an appealing option for many. As for build quality, the bottle feels solid and the mousse itself is airy and lightweight, which is great for ease of use. I haven't had the chance to test long-term durability, but given St. Tropez's reputation, I feel confident that it will last as promised. I didn't have any interactions with customer support during my testing, but St. Tropez is generally known for its reliable customer service. If you ever run into any issues, I'm sure they'd be responsive and helpful. In terms of product alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are self-tanners that work similarly, though they might take a bit longer to develop or might not offer the same customizable depth of color. If speed and control are key factors for you, though, this one is tough to beat. To sum up, the St. Tropez Self-Tan Express Mousse delivers on its promise for a customizable, natural-looking tan with quick results. It's a solid choice for those looking for an efficient self-tanner, though there are minor issues like scent and potential unevenness in tricky areas. Overall, if you're willing to invest a bit more, it's a great option for achieving a flawless tan. If you're curious about this product or have already tried it, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, you can find the link to grab your own bottle right in the description box. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing, beautyistic.